So we're going to do a quick tutorial for early space jump. It's actually easier in this version than it is in any other version, which is good news, because it's a really useful trick. The worst part about this is just balancing on this rock, and honestly, as a low percent runner, I don't find it that difficult, but I would recommend just getting some practice balancing first, without doing bomb jumps, because it makes it a lot easier when the time actually comes. But what we're going to do is, we're going to do a bomb jump, and we're going to try and land sort of in this area right here, right around here. Kind of in the middle of this sort of V shape that it makes. It's not super precise, but that's kind of what we're just aiming for, is just right around there. So, a little bit too far to the right there. That was too low. And this is just a regular double bomb jump, too. That was too far to the left and too low. Beautiful combination. It's a little bit too far to the right. That was too low. There we go. That was perfect. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slowly push up. You can see my input display. I'm giving very small up input. And we're going to keep walking until we hit a wall here, literally. We start vibrating against this wall, and then you just jump and push forward. There you go. You've made it. Pretty simple trick. Not a whole lot of tech involved. Quite doable. Easiest early space jump in any game. So, hopefully this helps. Hope you all enjoy your early spam jam boots.